What do I have to do today? Wait, let me call that guy up. Bro,
Oh, hey!
what are you doing right now?
I'm just staring at my laptop screen trying to find which series to watch.
Oh wait, I think I sent you a link for a YouTube video. Let's just watch that together, okay?
Oh, yeah, I did get it. Okay, what is it about?
It's a stand-up comedy video. He's one of my favorite comedians, and I just wanted to watch it together with you.
Okay. Yeah.
There are only two types of songs that do well now, which is positive songs and sexual. And that's how we get on the top 10, right? Billboard top 10. So be positive, like we gonna live forever. No, you're gonna definitely die. No, we gonna live forever. And there's now a new subset which is negative positive, which is I love you so much.
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Please see a therapist. But it's not good for music just to have two genres, right?
Yeah.
You need to have more. Because what if you have a event and you need a singer, right? What if you have a bakery opening?
Bakery open.
And the positive fellow is not free. So you just have the sexual fellow. Hey Nathaniel, thank you for coming today. Today's our bakery opening and it's been 10 years and we've renovated it. So we just want some music, you know, some guy playing guitar and you introduce the cake to the customers.
Music
Sunday
with
afternoon,
cake.
people walking in, music, it'll be lovely. Yeah? Sure man. Just sing about cake, okay? Our number one product, plum cake.
Plum cake, of course. Whoa, wow. This guy can play music, man.
Yeah, he plays good guitar, you know. In some of his other stand-up comedies also.
Singing.
Take that cake.
No. Oh my god.
Take it all
Oh god.
and taste the flavor
Oh.
in your mouth.
Oh my god.
Let it slide down.
I knew it.
Okay, Nathaniel, 1 second.
Oh my god.
Doubt me. We're all aroused. That was not the intention.
Of course, not the
Family
intention.
walked in with the grandmother now. She's looking at you and smiling. It's making all of us very uncomfortable. Can you not do that? Can you just sing about cake on a plate? Nothing more, nothing less.
Nothing less cake on a plate.
Plate. That's yeah.
I put that cake on a plate so I can take a bite of the slice. You give me cutlery.
Oh,
I say no, baby. I'm sorry. I give it back.
wow.
So nice.
I need no fork and knife to attack. So I lick the cake.
Yeah.
I lick the cake. Nathaniel, why are you licking the cake?
Oh my
You gave it
god.
cutlery. You gave it back. You have no table manners. You mad or what? Why are you licking the cake?
Oh my god.
Can you just sing about parceling cake?
Parceling cake.
Just parceling, nothing. If you don't like what I'm singing, why do you keep asking?
Exactly.
Because it's important for the joke.
Oh my god.
Okay?
I get it.
It's important. Sing about parceling cake, nothing more.
Nothing less.
Parsley. Come on.
Come
I
on.
couldn't finish you,
Oh, double meaning again.
so I took you home to finish
I see
you.
it.
Oh, I see where this thing is going.
When midnight strikes,
Oh,
my cravings are tight.
oh my god.
I look for you, and I find you. Then I put you on the table.
Oh my god. Oh god.
Put you on the table.
Oh my god.
That's how I like to eat it.
Oh, this is too much double meaning.
Open the bag. There's so many layers,
So many layers. Oh my god.
but the bag ain't opening. So I open the classroom. Where's my child? Get up from here! The opening parts of it,
Oh my god. Awesome.
Nice.
Guys, just now I finished watching the reaction video, and now
Yeah.
here we'll be discussing about what we saw, our observations, and how we felt the video was. And if you guys want to talk something about it, just comment down below, and we'll try to reply to most of you people. Okay. The first thing I noticed was that guy's character was on point, exact. Like the character of the baker, the singer Nathalin, and Kenny in the beginning. Oh my god, character placement was so good. And the way of acting, like looking here, like mono acting, and it was really nice.
Yeah, actually, Shash, actually I had seen a similar guy called Abhish Matthew. He's like from Kerala. He does stand-up comedies along with music, like similar style.
Oh, almost like this guy.
Yeah.
Oh wow, cool. I have to check that guy out. I've been watching Kenny Sebastian from like maybe 8th class. He was the first comedian I saw, and I was totally like, if I want to become a stand-up comedian, I want to be like this guy. He's my inspiration for stand-up comedy.
Yeah, he does pretty good. And actually I have seen some of his videos, previous videos, and it's really hilarious.
Yeah, really. I have seen some of his previous ones. Like he does jokes on biscuits, chai, 1 cup of chai, and jokes
yeah.
and stuff. He does really good crowd work. All his crowd members are really with him. And you saw the amount of applause he was getting while playing the music and stuff. I never expected that.
He's actually a pretty good singer, you know. He need not use all those auto-tunes. He knows how to catch the attention of the audience.
Exactly.
And bro, did you see the way he acts both as Nathaniel the guitarist and the baker? It's pretty amazing.
Yeah.
You know, I can say he's pretty good at mono acting, just like me. And I'd also like to comment, like he uses different types of comedy, like improvisational comedy and character comedy. He pretty much knows how to gain attention.
Yeah. That's the main part of his comedy. He gets all of the audience together with him all the time.
Yeah.
And you have to see this Comic Stars season 2. There's a show on Amazon Prime Video. In that, he's one of the judges and he wins the show in the end. The judge winner is Kenny Sebastian.
Oh, nice.
He's that good.
Of
Like
course,
all over India.
He can win. This really good.
This year he was like the best comedian. He was really good actually.
Oh, nice.
He's like his rise time now. All the comedians are below him. Like he's the top comedian in India presently. In English, like he does comedy in English. There are others who do in Hindi. Gali dete hain like that. So this guy is really good in English.
Gotta watch that.
Yeah, and this guy singing plus comedy, I don't think anybody other than Abhish. I haven't seen his videos, but he's like one of a kind. He's one of the best people.
That's really a good talent, you know. People
Yeah,
can really
exactly.
gain attention very fast. They'll be really
Exactly,
interested to know what is happening, you know.
And his sexy voice in the video, that was really cool. The singer Nathalin's sexy voice.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Trying to mimic that guy, yeah. Really, it was really nice actually. I loved it.
Yeah, me too. It's amazing. Hey guys, thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Yeah, okay, wherever it is. Yeah, just subscribe it.
Wherever it's
and
on
make
the
sure you subscribe, that's fine. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye.
Catch you guys in the next one.
Yeah.